Sawasdee krab. Welcome to my this channel. I'm Jim again. I hope you're not tired of seeing me yet, okay? Today we will make special menu. It's called กุ้งแช่น้ำปลา or fresh shrimp in fish sauce. Yes, we will have it fresh. It sounds scary, right? Don't worry, I will tell you the alternative, but it's so yum, okay? When you're ready, let's do it. We will start with the shrimp first, okay? We use fresh shrimp like this, and then you take the black stripe out, all right? And you soak it in soda, just normal one, all right? Not the sweet one, but make it cold. Use cold soda. Just pour it in, yes. Okay, and then, mix it a little bit, right? Why? To reduce the fishy smell. Yes. A little bit more. Yes. Okay. And then leave it around 5 minutes, and then you just rinse it out. Okay. Cool. In the meanwhile, we will prepare veggies. Start with cabbage first. I have cabbage left from my last menu, so slice it thin. Just keep slicing. Keep slicing. Do like we did in spring roll. Yes. Keep going. Little bit more. Just a little bit more. Yeah, should be okay. And then you just put it in the basket first. Yep. And next one is the carrot. Yeah, you know how to do it already. Like in spring roll. Cut the bottom and the head off. And then peel the skin off, I think. I need only half, right? So I peel the skin off first. Yep. Okay, and then shred it in, mix it together with the cabbage. Give you more color. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep, sorry, the weather today is not so good. Keep changing a lot. Yep. I think it should be okay. Okay, mix it well. Set it aside. I will clear out my cutting board first. It's very messy. Okay, next one is the garlic, right? Thin slice again. Alright, thin slice. Yep. Okay. A little bit more. think I'll change to this one. This one, it looks better. Yep, this one is much better. Cool. Oh, I like garlic. It goes well with the fresh one. Yep, and then just pour it to the bowl first. Okay. Next one, I use spur pepper, but normally we use fresh, chili, but I think it's too spicy. Just give you more color and then decorate it for the dish. Okay, angle. Slice it in angle. Nope. I think I'll do it all. This one is not spicy, remember? Yep. Keep slicing, keep slicing. Yeah, should be okay. And then pour it to the bowl first. Yep. The thing should be okay now. So I will go and rinse the shrimp and then I'll come back. Okay, for the shrimp, right, when you rinse it out, right, try to dry a little bit. Or you can put it into the fridge, This one, you want to have the shrimp cold. Have it when it's cold, okay? I will set aside first. We will decorate the plate first. Okay, cabbage and carrot. Yep. I put it in the middle. Yeah, a little bit more. Yes, beautiful. You can do whatever you want, okay? As your imagination. And then, shrimp. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Yes. Oh, beautiful. A little bit more. Yes, one more. Yes, and then garlic on top. Yes, look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's going to be yum. Oh man. Yes. Uh-huh. Yep. Cool. All right, and then spur pepper to decorate the plate. Yep. A little bit more. You don't have to eat this one, okay? But makes it look good. Looks good. Yeah. I put it more here. Give more color. I think one at the top. One shrimp on the top here. Yep. And then garlic. All right. And then pour it with seafood dipping sauce. Okay, I told you how to make it already from my last video, okay? Check it out. Smells so good. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this one a lot, you know, but not every day. It's not good for my stomach. Okay, one at the top here. Yep, and then with the veggies. Yes. That's it. Looks beautiful. Okay, it looks yum, right? It's very common for Thai people, you know. You're welcome to try when you're here, but I don't recommend it, all right? But back home, right? If you want to do it, right, you can cook the shrimp first. If you're too afraid of, you know, getting sick of eating fresh shrimp, okay? But just like, you know, dip it into the hot water. You call it scald, right? But not too long, otherwise it's too tough. Okay, let's try it. Together with the garlic. Oh, yum. Oh yeah, spicy. Oh yeah. Okay, why they call it shrimp in fish sauce? I'm sorry. Okay, because they use fish sauce to marinate it again. But for me, I don't like it too fishy. You know, you get rid of the fishy smell from soda already, right? Why bother to make it fishy again? Okay. It's so good. So I will have it now. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. And stay safe. Wish you were here.